This makes me mad. My opponent is -3 minutes. The game was supposed to be 3 minutes each. They ran out of time over 3 minutes ago and counting. And I have checkmate the next move. The only legal move my opponent has is to block the check with the bishop. Then I take the bishop with the queen when it's checkmate. But instead, it's doing this. It's running out of time. This happens to me probably, actually too much. I'd say about 10 or more times per week, and they're rated games, which it just annoys me, because instead of getting the points for the win, so I won't get the points for the win, and I'll also be deducted points. And now I'll hit, there's a toggle right there, auto flag. That means to show auto flag is to show that the opponent ran out of time. And once I click it, it's going to tell me connection lost, and I lost the game. Connection lost. You have lost connection with the server. Connection closed. Game finished. And it'll deduct points from me, so no fair.